It's with great pleasure that I welcome you to AAHP Community Day 2025. Hi, my name is Habiba Jackson. I am the chair of the AAHP Executive Coalition, and I'm also chairing the planning committee for AAHP Community Day this year. AAHP Community Day is a wonderful annual event that we have. This is the 11th year that we're having the event, and it's an opportunity to celebrate the community and share all of the wonderful resources that AAHP provides. We're fighting to reduce the health disparities in Montgomery County, and this is just a day of celebration where we have health screenings, exhibitors, we have fitness classes, tons of workshops, and great speakers. The theme for this year is Take Control of Your Health and Wellness. Prioritize you and be empowered. So we're really hoping that people absorb the information and then find a way to actively include it into their daily life so that we can be proactive with being healthy. We always start AAHP Community Day with a kickoff walk, where AAHP collaborates with Girl Trek, which is the largest health organization for Black women. Currently, Girl Trek is focused on increasing the life expectancy of Black women by 10 years and 10 years. And so we always do a walk. Girl Trek encourages women to walk 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week, and also to really focus on yourself. So we have Dr. Nina Ashford as our keynote speaker. She is the Chief of Public Health Services in Montgomery County. She's going to do a wonderful talk on making healthy choices for your family and also prioritizing your health. And we also have a Live and Well Lounge by Fully Blossomed, where it's going to be a total Zen space where you can just go and veg out with guided meditation and some affirmations and journaling. We also have county officials coming in to provide information and a slew of health and wellness vendors as well.
Hello, my name is Dr. Nina Ashford. I'm the Chief of Public Health Services for the Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services. I am here today to provide a keynote address about healthy habits and healthy living, but more importantly, here to be a part of this incredible event. The African American Health Program provides a number of services to our community, and today is a reflection of all of the great activities and services that they provide, ranging from physical health to mental health to spiritual health. We're going to talk about how do we keep our heart healthy, how do we know our numbers, what are the small steps that we can take in our everyday life to make sure that we can live the healthiest, most resilient lives. When we look at the statistics, about 60% of African Americans have one or more cardiovascular disease conditions. 1 in 3 have a mental health condition. And we know that specifically for mental health, African Americans are less likely to get treatment or see a provider. So I'm going to highlight some of the reasons as to why these disparities exist, but more importantly, I'm going to talk about the small actionable steps that you can take in your individual life to make sure that you're able to prioritize your health, to make sure that you are able to stay healthy, to know your numbers, to be able to advocate with your doctor, and how do we take small steps to make lasting impact for our lives and ultimately allow us to live healthy lives, have healthy communities. Today's event is important as an opportunity to bring together the community, which is always the most important, but to provide a number of different services. Just a really great one-stop shop of opportunities to be able to learn, to take some lessons that you can incorporate back into your life, and time to fellowship and make connections, get to meet your fellow neighbors, and learn more about all of the resources that the county and our community partners have to offer.